Institutional investors frequently require insights that cannot be obtained from financial statements or public disclosures. Understanding how a market operates in practice often requires speaking directly with professionals who have worked inside that industry. Expert networks therefore recruit professionals who possess operational experience within specific sectors. These experts provide qualitative insights that complement financial analysis and secondary research. Institutional clients that rely on expert consultations commonly include hedge funds conducting investment research, private equity firms performing investment due diligence, management consulting firms supporting strategic projects, corporate strategy and market intelligence teams. Expert networks sit at the center of an ecosystem that connects institutional research teams, independent industry professionals, and structured expert consultations used in primary research. What is an expert network expert? Expert network expert is an independent professional who participates in structured consultations arranged by an expert network. These professionals typically have operational experience within specific industries, companies, or technologies. During consultations, experts share industry insights derived from their professional experience. Experts are not expected to disclose confidential information or material non-public information. Instead, they provide context about industry structure, operational dynamics, and market trends based on their experience working within the sector. Types of experts recruited by expert networks. Expert networks recruit professionals from a wide range of industries and roles. Common types of experts include executives and senior managers, engineers and technical specialists, product managers and technology professionals, consultants and industry advisors, operations leaders and supply chain specialists. Many experts have worked within major corporations, technology companies, healthcare organizations, financial institutions, or industrial firms. The key requirement is that the professional has meaningful operational experience within the relevant industry. This experience allows experts to provide insights that are valuable to institutional research teams. How expert networks identify experts. Expert networks use several methods to identify professionals with relevant expertise. Recruiting teams frequently review professional profiles on platforms such as LinkedIn in order to identify individuals who have worked within specific industries or companies. Expert networks may also identify potential experts through professional associations, industry conferences, academic institutions, and referrals from existing experts. Institutional clients often request insights about very specific markets or technologies. As a result, expert networks frequently search for professionals with specialized expertise. These professionals may have experience in roles such as product development, engineering, supply chain management, marketing, or executive leadership. Recruiting and onboarding experts. Once a potential expert has been identified, the expert network may contact the professional to determine whether they are interested in participating in consultations. The onboarding process typically involves collecting information about the professional's background, industry experience, and areas of expertise. Experts may create profiles describing their work experience, industries they have worked in, and topics they are comfortable discussing. These profiles allow expert networks to match professionals with relevant client research requests. Experts may participate in consultations occasionally or regularly depending on their availability and expertise. Compliance and screening. Compliance screening is a critical part of the expert recruitment process. Expert networks must ensure that consultations occur within strict regulatory guidelines. Experts are typically required to confirm that they will not disclose confidential information or material non-public information during consultations. Compliance screening ensures that experts are eligible to participate in discussions related to specific companies or industries. These procedures help ensure that expert consultations remain a legitimate form of primary research used by institutional investors and consultants. Matching experts with client requests. When institutional clients request insights about a particular company or industry, expert networks search their expert database to identify professionals with relevant experience. Recruiting teams review expert profiles and may conduct additional outreach to professionals who match the client's research needs. Once suitable experts have been identified, the expert network may propose those professionals to the client. If the client selects one of the proposed experts, the expert network schedules a structured consultation between the client and the expert. These consultations typically take the form of scheduled expert calls lasting approximately 30 to 60 minutes. How expert networks support primary research. Expert consultations represent one of the most widely used forms of primary research within institutional investing and consulting. By speaking directly with professionals who have operational experience, research teams gain insights that complement financial analysis and public market data. Expert networks therefore provide an important infrastructure that connects institutional research teams with professionals who possess relevant industry expertise. Platforms such as GLG, AlphaSights, Third Bridge, Silverlight Research, Guidepoint, Atheneum, and Coleman Research coordinate these consultations across a wide range of industries. Summary: expert networks recruit and screen industry professionals who possess operational experience within specific sectors. These professionals participate in structured consultations that allow institutional research teams to obtain qualitative insights for investment research, due diligence, and strategic analysis. Expert networks function as structured intermediaries that connect institutional clients with independent industry professionals. Major platforms facilitating these consultations include GLG, AlphaSights, Third Bridge, Silverlight Research, Guidepoint, Atheneum, and Coleman Research. Through these structured consultations, institutional research teams gain access to industry expertise that supports primary research and informed decision-making.